everyone, today I'm going to be doing a simple makeup video just because I can and because we're about to have a barbecue, which if you want it'll be in my night routine, which I'll click in the little eye thing. And yeah, so this is just going to be quite a long video, so I'm just going to get straight on with the video. But I'm going to be using this Sephora primer and just going to be putting that all over my face. Then I am going to be putting on this Lush Jackie Oats, like it's kind of a foundation but no, it's not really. It's like really light coverage and it's quite old though, so yeah, I just blended that on with my fingers because I didn't really know how to like blend it in, but yeah. Then next to my concealer I'm going to be using my usual Rimmel Wake Me Up in the shade, I think it's 10 Ivory, and Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 05, and put that in stripes under my eyes and just like in places that I want to highlight. So that is what I put on my concealer. Literally, I swear, if you've seen one of my videos before, you know that that's where I put it. And I am just going to be using the Rimmel Stay Matte in the shade 001 Transparent, just to like set my face. Also, I've got a bit of sun cream on probably left, so it'll like make it a tiny bit less shiny, because it actually works. Lovely jubbly. And then I am going to be using this Hoola bronzer, which is a mini, and I'll put it in the eye, my testing Benefit makeup video. So last night, I think it was, I did eyeliner and I was actually so happy with it. Or like on this side, it was like the perfect like eyeliner and I was like, oh. Then for blush, I am going to also be using the Dandelion blush, which I used also in that testing Benefit makeup. To be fair, I don't really need blush because I'm like so hot already. Like it is the hottest weather in England, I think, like this year so far. Then I'm gonna be using the also Benefit High Beam. I literally haven't even used this that much because I had a little break from makeup because I couldn't be asked and I was a bit ill. Also, comment down below if you do your eyeshadow first or like your actual face makeup, because I always do my eyeshadow last, but I actually don't know why. Like there's not an actual reason for it. I'm going to be doing like a really simple eye look, but I'm just gonna like, yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do. With this big fluffy brush, I'm going to be putting that all over my lid. And then because it is a crease brush, I'm going to use just, yeah, I'm just going to tell you the colours because I really can't show you that. Just going to use this like kind of coffee colour. It's more like a latte colour, I don't know why I said coffee. So that is what it looks like so far. Then with a smaller brush, I'm going to put a slightly darker brown, like right in the crease. Then I'm just going to blend that out with a big fluffy brush, like an even fluffy brush. And with this Makeup Revolution palette, I'm just going to get, I made a really good noise then. It's like pale end colour. Try and pack quite a bit on my brush, even though it's not like a packing brush, but I don't care. And just put that over the first half of my crease. So yeah, I just did the same on both sides. I'm just going to leave my eyebrows because I can't be asked to do anything with them. But I'm going to be using the usual Maybelline Lash Sensational. So I just did my mascara, and I feel like that went everywhere. If it did, I'm just going to go. No, it's just my eyes that look weird. Also, to finish this off, I'm just going to use this Matte Me Metallic, even though it literally is not going to focus. There you go, in the shade Rusted Rose. Just haven't worn this in quite a long time as well. So yeah, that is it. Thanks so much for watching. Give this a big thumbs up. Also click the subscribe button down below if you enjoyed this. And I'm actually so hot now, it's like not even funny. But yeah, I'm just going to do a close-up view of this because I love to do close-up views.